for those people, I put the slide in because I know a lot of people are focused on protein simply because a lot of the marketing of the paleo, the keto, the Atkins, those kind of low carb, high protein diets over the last 20 or 30 years is a really big thing in the media. So I wanted to give you a sense of actually how much protein there is in plants and how easy it is to get. I mean, I don't even worry about my protein. I just eat a plant-based whole food diet, have some lentils every day or some beans or tofu or whatever, and I'm away laughing. But you can see here, eggs, which are, comparatively people think eggs are the best sorts of protein, right? Similar, 2 eggs, 12 grams, similar as a cup of brown rice or quinoa. Same amount of protein content. So, it's really interesting how you can get plenty of protein by eating your legumes and your beans. That's where the longevity cultures get it from. So, even spirulina and things, and even spinach and stuff has some as well, but you need a bit more bulk.